I'm Bartels. I'm the band and orchestra director at Agnes Stewart Middle School.
1, 2, 3.
So in spring of 2021, I received a grant from SEF to buy a new timpani and a new bass drum. We had 3 timpanis before that we were using, and all 3 were probably as close to my age or older than I was. The instruments are expensive, so this just allows me to upgrade, again, the level of instruments that they're playing on, but helps the student to be more successful.
The new bass drum is really nice, and it looks a lot better than the old one.
It was fun to get the new timpani. It sounds great, it plays well, it looks awesome.
Music in education is vastly important because it teaches so many skills that are important not only for what they're doing in their core classes, but also what they're going to be going through for the rest of their lives.
Having the opportunity to be in band, it builds up teamwork, and that's a very important thing for someone to have, and able to work with a group or a community.
The things I like about percussion is some of it can be really easy, but it can also be really hard at the same time. Learning where what notes are and how to do certain things, like how to roll or how to do a flammer and all that stuff.
It also is important because it gives them a chance to do something that is interactive. So many of our students get trapped behind desks for so long. This allows them to get out and get moving and create something with the person next to them, with the person across the room from them, and it builds that kind of sense of community that I think is really necessary to keep kids motivated to go through school. I don't know if words can express how grateful I know I am and other teachers that have received these grants are. But if these kids can produce high quality sound, they feel successful, they want to do more, they want to practice more, they want to perform more, and they're proud of what they're doing.